Stella?
Huh? No fair!
Huh?
Nobody told me we were dressing up.
Stella, honestly, we're just having a picnic. We don't need a disguise. Nobody is going to be looking at us.
Okay, fine, whatever.
Your Highness,
Smile, please.
Let's rush now.
Again? Yes, perfect.
Yay!
Well, that was the deal. Family photo up on the doorstep and they leave us alone for the rest of the day.
Really? They agreed to that?
Of course. It's our anniversary.
We know you're a teenager, Stella, but being with your parents in public for one day, isn't that terrible?
All we want is a quiet day out having fun as a family. Of course, what Mr. P wants is another thing altogether.
In the park today, in celebration of the royal anniversary, Their Majesties King Bob and Queen Cat, and Their Royal Highnesses Princess Stella, Princess Molly, and baby Prince Brady.
Right, now that's over. All we have to do is find a nice picnic spot. Hello.
No, Dad, we can't go over there. That's too near the skate park. Oh, my friends hang out there.
Okay, how about...
No, we can't go that way either. That's near the fountain and the cafe. My friends go there too.
Well, where do you suggest we go, Stella?
How about home?
We are not going home. We're having a picnic, Stella. A normal, low-key family picnic. Right here.
Picnic! 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 Ollie, please.
Welcome to Lifestyles of the Royal and Furry. Today's show is all about the freedom of the house pet. When the king and queen are away, the bunnies will play. When nobody's home, royal pets can make any room in the palace their ensuite. Is that bed super king size or super trampoline size? Yippee! Well-sprung mattress with extra bounce, padding, and real high fluff pillows. This is the lifestyle.
This is the life. What a family. I'm such a lucky chappie. Oh. Happy anniversary, darling.
Ooh, romantic.
Dad, we're in public.
Are you girls seeing this?
Yep, pretty hard to miss.
Oh, look, Stella, your friends. Hi there.
Dad, please.
What? They're your friends. Beatrice, Maria, Vicky. Plenty of cookies if you want some. Don't be shy.